three. Three little munchkins all in a row. We all have pretty blue eyes. Pretty, pretty blue eyes. They're very, very cutesy. We want to go play. We're already really laid back. You see? Very laid back little kitties. One more. Show everybody you're so laid back. Yeah. Extremely cutie. Extremely cutie. And right now all they want to do is go play. They don't want their pictures taken or videos. Get back here. As you can see, very, very active little farts. Okay, one good look at your face. One little boy.
Turns out I'm not giving the keynote.
Itty bitty, who's the runt? Little girl. This is a little girl. Two girls, one boy. Seal Point, blue-eyed, Napoleon Munchkin. Yeah.